Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through turning off activity tracking in the Gemini AI app and deleting your history. First, open the Gemini app on your device and ensure you're logged in. Once on the homepage, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner to access the menu. From the menu, scroll down and select Gemini App Activity. This will take you to a page where you can view and manage your activity history. To turn off activity tracking, locate the toggle switch or option labeled Activity Tracking on this page. Tap on it, and a small menu will appear with two choices. Turn off activity tracking only. Turn off and delete activity. Select the first option to simply turn off tracking, or choose the second option if you'd also like to delete your existing history. If you want to delete specific activity data, scroll further down and tap on Delete Activity. The app will give you options like last hour, last 24 hours, entire history, or custom range. For this example, we'll select last hour and confirm the action. And that's it. You've successfully disabled activity tracking and cleared your history in the Gemini AI app.